I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to be opening 3 Target beauty boxes. So today I have In With the New. This is one of the January boxes. Next is Clean Up Your Beauty Routine, which was also released in January. Last but not least is Moving and Grooming, which focuses on men's products. If you'd like to skip to a particular box, I have links in the description below. The Target beauty box is one of the most affordable on the market at only $7 including shipping. Unlike other beauty boxes, it's not a subscription, they just release them early in the month. Basically, you just buy them on Target.com. You can look up Beauty Box to find them, or you can use the link in my description below. So let's get right into it. First, we have In With the New. The Target beauty boxes are printed gift boxes. They cover them in shrink wrap and usually ship them in another cardboard box. The theme of this box is Out with the Old and In with the New. It looks like they have some skincare, hair care, and pampering products. This card includes a description of the different items and also a coupon. This is good for $3 off a $15 Target purchase. Unfortunately, I waited too long to open this, so this one expired last month, but they're generally good for about a month from when the box is released. So the products are wrapped in beautiful tissue paper. This is what the box looks like. First we have the Hair Food Coconut Milk and Chai Spice Shampoo and Conditioner. I've actually never heard of this brand before. This smells really delicious. It's supposed to have coconut and chai spice, but it just smells really good, kind of like a nice salon. They proudly say on the front that they're free of several ingredients like sulfates and parabens. I'm also happy to see that they're safe for color-treated hair. I really like the scent of this, and I'm happy to see that they paid special attention to the ingredients, so I'll definitely be testing these out. Next we have the No. 7 Laboratories Firming Booster Serum. It looks like it's supposed to lift, tone, and tighten the skin, and it contains peptides and hyaluronic acid. So let's try it out. It's kind of a light, sort of milky looking serum. Doesn't seem to have much of a scent to it, just kind of smells like a regular skincare product. It seems to absorb quickly and have kind of a silky feel. I think it'll be interesting to test this out in my skincare routine and see how it works. Next we have the Crest 3D White Radiant Mint Toothpaste. They say it's supposed to whiten, strengthen enamel, and protect against cavities. Let's check it out and see what it's like. Definitely seems like a cool minty flavor. The formula looks like a light blue gel. It's always nice to have an extra toothpaste. I can always use them. These little travel sizes are really handy, especially when I go on trips. Next we have a face mask duo from K-Bella. This includes a watermelon peel-off mask and cooling avocado clay mask. It sounds like the watermelon side is supposed to firm and plump up dull-looking skin, and the avocado side is meant to nourish and moisturize the skin. Right now, the avocado one sounds more like what my skin needs. I like how they have 2 different ones in this pack, so you can share with a friend or you can save one for later. I like to use face masks about once a week, so I think it'll be fun to try this out soon. Next we have the Creme of Nature Perfect Hold with Exotic Shine. From what I can tell, this seems like a product that's sort of supposed to hold your styles in place, especially when you have something like a sleek ponytail. I don't wear my hair in super sleek styles a lot, but it might be fun to have this on hand in case I try something, especially for an upcoming video. Next we have the Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer. I actually have been avoiding retinols recently because they tend to be a little bit too strong for my skin. I don't think I'll be using this, but it does seem like it's probably a good alternative to some of the more expensive like Sephora products. I'll probably be giving this away at some time soon, so I'm not going to open it and test it out. But it is interesting to see that there are more drugstore retinol options on the market. Next we have the Olay Regenerist Whip Moisturizer. This one doesn't have retinol in it, so I might actually be able to try it out. It comes in this little sample jar here. It's kind of a light whipped lotion texture. They say it's supposed to help your skin appear firmer and more lifted. I'm going to try a little bit out here. Wow, it definitely has a light, almost gel-like whipped texture. They say that this is fragrance free and it really feels true to the name. I really don't detect much of a scent, and especially not a fragrance. This seemed to absorb really quickly into my hand. I think it'll be nice to try as a night moisturizer as well. So that's it for this box. At $7, it came with 8 different products. There were 3 hair care items, 4 skincare items, and 1 toothpaste, which you could probably call a body care item. As far as beauty boxes go, I get a little bit more excited about them when they have a makeup item in them, but I do still feel like this was a good value, especially for $7. I'm definitely looking forward to trying out these shampoos. They seem like a third or half of a full bottle, so that seems like a really good value. And I will definitely be using this toothpaste as well, which will be super useful when I travel. All the other items in the box are kind of just a bonus to me, so it's really fun to be able to try something new for only $7. If you've been enjoying this video, please like or subscribe. I post new beauty videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 10 a.m. Central, and I'd love to see you there. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be the first to watch my new videos. Next, I have the Clean Up Your Beauty Routine box. I was actually really excited about this one because it focuses on more ingredient conscious products. In my everyday routine, I really like to use products that are green, clean, or cruelty-free. And so I was so excited to see that Target had an entire beauty box themed around this. So now I'm just gonna cut it open. The theme of this box is Clean Up Your Beauty Routine. They say that it has more ingredient conscious products and things with recyclable packaging as well. This one also has a description card. It talks about all the different products. This also includes the $3 off a $15 beauty purchase at Target coupon. I do like how you can use these online or in the store. Unfortunately, this one is expired because I waited so long to open it, but they really do have a pretty generous time frame with this. I think it's within a month of when the box is released. So the products are wrapped in tissue, and here's how it looks when you get it. This looks like a Love Home and Planet 4 times concentrated laundry detergent. The scent is lavender and argan oil. So this tiny bottle actually contains up to 10 different loads. On the back, it says it's certified vegan and it has 94% bio-based content. This actually has a pretty nice smell. It's a little different than like the Mrs. Meyer's lavender smell, but it has kind of a fresh, clean smell. I really like using natural laundry detergents and I like the scent of this as well, so I think I'll definitely get some good use out of it. Next we have 2 Up and Up Premium 100% cotton rounds. So it's basically 2 of these sort of cotton pads. I switched to microfiber pads to remove my makeup at night, but I still do use the disposable ones, especially when I'm doing something like nail polish. So I think I'll find a good use for these sometime soon. Next we have the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Body Lotion. Seems to have kind of a nice light fragrance to it. I'm gonna try a little bit out. It looks like they made sure this is free of a lot of ingredients like parabens, mineral oil, gluten, and sulfates. This doesn't really have a strong scent. It's just kind of a light sort of tropical scent. It seems to be pretty hydrating and absorbs quickly. This actually feels really nice. It's just more like a nice lotion texture as opposed to like a silky silicone texture. I think this will be fun to try out, especially as something like a hand lotion. Next we have a little baby sample from Mrs. Meyer's. This is the hand soap in the oat blossom scent. I'm gonna try to just open this so I can smell it. I don't want to waste it though because it's kind of a small little packet. It's a little bit hard for me to tell exactly what the smell is. It seems like it's sort of just a light clean scent. I really like Mrs. Meyer's products in general, so I think I'll definitely be testing this out. I wash my hands several times a day, so I can always use hand soap. Next we have the Lumine Nordic Sea Pure Glow Cleansing Balm. It says it contains vitamin C and wild Arctic cloudberry. It seems like a relatively natural cleanser that's just supposed to help revive your skin and make it look brighter. Let's test a little bit out. Seems to have sort of a natural tan color. I think it can smell a little bit of that kind of fruity oil. It feels really gentle on the skin, kind of like an oily balm. I think this will be fun to try, especially on those days when I wear heavier makeup and need a good balm to remove it. Next we have the Lumine Nordic Sea Arctic Berry Oil Cocktail. I think this one might actually be related to this cleansing balm that we just tried. They call this a multivitamin cocktail that's supposed to energize and brighten your skin. It looks like this is made in Finland and includes Nordic cranberry and lingonberry seed oils. I'm not going to test this out just yet because it's a pretty small foil packet and I don't want to waste it, but I think it'll be fun to try, especially as part of my nightly routine. Next we have the Burt's Bees Purely White Fluoride-Free Toothpaste. It looks like this is in the Zen Peppermint flavor and is supposed to be kind of like a regular toothpaste that also has whitening. They say that this whitens without peroxide, so it's more of a gentle, natural formula. This looks like it has a nice white paste texture. It also has a really nice mint scent. They say it comes from peppermint essential oil. I really do like having little toothpaste tubes on hand for when I travel, and it's nice to have a natural option to try out as well. Next we have a Uni Travel Shower Sheet Body Wipe. This is basically a wipe that you can use anytime that you want to feel refreshed. I think this is a really nice idea, especially like if you're doing overseas travel or if you have a long day out. Sometimes it's nice just to feel a little bit more refreshed. Apparently this is supposed to smell like neem, peppermint, and citrus. I'll probably tuck this away for next time I travel. I think this will be handy to have on hand, especially during the summer. Last but not least is a trial size charcoal deodorant from Native. They say it has a fresh mineral scent with citrus undertones. I can definitely smell a bit of that fruitiness there. It's very light. Let's try a little bit out. It melts quickly on my hand. I think they use coconut oil in it. This feels really nice and just kind of has a light sort of fresh citrus scent. The bar itself is sort of a light gray or charcoal color. But as you can see, it goes on completely clear. I've heard really good things about Native, but I haven't had a chance to try this deodorant yet, so I'm excited to be able to try it out through this box and see if it's a good fit for me. This box was pretty large for a Target beauty box. It actually had 9 different items in it. There are 2 different skincare items, including this cleansing balm and this oil. There are also multiple body care items, including this body lotion, the shower sheet, and the deodorant. There's also this toothpaste, which you could consider an oral hygiene or even a body care item. Then there were the cotton rounds, which are sort of like a tool or a disposable product. And then there were 2 items that I consider more like household items, including this laundry detergent and this hand soap. Of all the things in this box, I'm most excited to try this laundry detergent because I really do go through a lot of this, and this seems like a really good value with 10 loads in this tiny bottle. A concentrated laundry detergent is a really good choice for the environment too because it has a reduced carbon footprint as opposed to something that's larger and has more added water. The other 2 things I'm excited about are this whitening toothpaste because it's a really natural formula and I want to see if it works, and also this native deodorant because it has had such good reviews but I haven't been able to try it yet. Overall, I feel like this was an incredible value for only $7. I think it will pretty much use everything in this box, and I'm just really happy that they decided to do one that was entirely clean beauty. Last but not least, we have the Moving and Grooming Box. This one is actually focused on men's products. Last time I checked, the other 2 boxes were still available, but I think this one sold out. I still wanted to do a quick review of it today to kind of show you the types of items that can come in a Target beauty box. I think it's really nice they decided to do one focusing on men's products because a lot of them really do focus on things targeted at women. So the theme of this one is called Moving and Grooming. Basically the theme of it is grooming for guys who are busy and on the move. Everything in the box is listed on the back of this card. They also have a coupon for $3 off a $15 Target beauty purchase. It looks like this one expired in October of 2019, so this was probably a box from the fall of last year. So this one has 6 different items in it and they're all wrapped in this tissue paper. Here's what it looks like when you open it. I do like with these beauty boxes how they put some tape around products that they think might leak. It didn't stop one of my products from leaking once, but in general most stuff hasn't leaked. So first we have the Suave Men 3-in-1 Citrus Rush Shampoo, Conditioner, and Body Wash. So basically it's a multi-purpose product that you can use on your hair as shampoo and conditioner and on your body as well. So let's see how it smells. That has a really nice scent. It's definitely a citrusy scent. It's just kind of a nice deep citrus. I think it's really interesting that they try to make one product that can shampoo, condition, and work as a body wash. A lot of those items actually do share quite a few ingredients. I'll probably give this to my husband to try. I like that he could use it just for one of those things. He doesn't have to use it for all 3, but if he even likes it as a body wash or something, I think it has a nice scent. Next we have the Dove Men Plus Care Active Fresh on the Go Deodorant Wipes. I think this is kind of similar to the shower wipe that was in the other box. This seems like a really nice idea, especially when you travel or if you go somewhere really hot. I know sometimes you get partway through a day and you're just like, man, I already need to shower. So it's nice to have an option to have something like these wipes. I'm not going to open these just yet because I want to save them for the summer. Next we have the Head & Shoulders Old Spice 2-in-1 Shampoo. It looks like this has zinc as an active ingredient to help fight dandruff. Let's see how it smells. Okay, yeah. I definitely am getting some of that Old Spice fragrance. I'm used to smelling Old Spice as an aftershave, so it's kind of interesting to have it in a shampoo. We do go through a lot of shampoo in this house, so I think it'll be fun to have a different one to try. Next we have the Crest Gum and Sensitivity All Day Protection Toothpaste. This one is supposed to help reduce sensitivity. It looks like it contains fluoride as an active ingredient. It's interesting there has been a toothpaste tube in every single box we've tried today. I do really enjoy having the travel sizes on hand though, so I think we'll be set for a while with these 3 boxes. They say that this has a soft mint flavor, which seems like it'll be nice, so I'll probably use this next time we travel. Next we have 3 sample packets from The Art of Shaving. It looks like these are all unscented, and we have the pre-shave oil, the shaving cream, and the aftershave balm. I like that these are unscented because they tend to be more gentle for all skin types, especially sensitive. This pre-shave oil seems to have some interesting ingredients too, like clove, lavender, castor seed oil, olive oil, and pepper seed oil. Since these are pretty small little sample packets, I'm not going to open them yet, but I think it'll be fun for my husband to try out. Last but not least, we have the Bandito Chill a Minute or 30 mask. This says it's designed to help reduce the appearance of pores and refine skin. It includes ingredients like kaolin clay, shea butter, and olive oil. With a package like this, I might just be able to convince my husband to try a face mask with me next time I do a spa night. So that's it for the Moving and Grooming box. Overall, I've really been enjoying the Target beauty boxes. I really like how they show you the products ahead of time so you can decide if it's worth the $7. When compared to things like the Walmart beauty box, which is $5, or the Sephora Play box, which is $10, I feel like the Target beauty box is a really good value. I especially like how they include the $3 off a $15 beauty purchase coupon. I tend to buy beauty products at Target anyway, so for me that generally brings the price of the box down to only $4. I hope you found this video helpful. I'd love to hear if there are any products in these boxes that you would use or if there's something you'd recommend instead. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.